Hello everyone, and this is Roanyer Classroom channel. Many sisters have learned to use the props to shape the female figure, but after using them together, they still feel strong without the feminine feeling of softness. In this case, the teacher suggests that sisters pay attention to their own body shape. If you are somehow large in size or obese, you can start weight loss exercises. Because in the actual cross-dressing process, if you are thin enough, coupled with the shaping of the chest and hips, the overall effect will be better. But if you are a bit fat, you will look sort of masculine after matching the chest and buttocks. In this class, the teacher will teach everyone how to reduce fat and get in shape. Maybe you're in the habit of working out but can seem to build muscles easily. As a cross-dressing enthusiast, exercise aids to increase the slender and beautiful visual effect. So you should avoid or change muscle building exercises during fitness, such as doing a reverse stretch of the biceps and triceps, so the muscles are not easy to clump and the line will look better. Therefore, in the following demonstration by our model, we mainly emphasize the exercise of two parts, hips and waist, as well as abdomen. Both hips and thin waist will increase your waist to hip ratio to make your body curves look more feminine. So, how to exercise the buttocks? The teacher is here to teach you three actions. Sister can follow the model to do it together. The first movement is called a leg extension. Keep your whole body standing, keeping your body at an arm's distance from the wall. Place one hand on the wall to support the body, or place both hands on your hips. Lift your right leg backward, hook your toes, and then push your legs backward and upwards. Extend them back when you exhale and retract them when you inhale. 15 reps a group. Rest 5 to 10 seconds between groups. Repeat the same movement with the left leg and practice 4 to 5 sets. And this can be counted as a warm up exercise to activate your hips. The second movement is a squat. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, with your toes pointing toward your knees and slightly outward. Straighten your hands in front of your chest. Squat down with your back straight and push your hips backward to drive your hips. Try not to let your knees exceed the toes until your thighs are close to parallel to the ground and pause for 2 to 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Your thighs will be sore after this, but the effect on the stability of the waist and the shaping of the hips will be obvious. The third movement is called the lunge squat. The lunge squat is much simpler than the deep squat. Stand with your feet side by side and take a step back with your right foot. Squat down until your left leg is at a 90 degrees angle and your right knee is on the floor. Bring your right leg back in. Cross your left and right legs. Do 4 or 5 sets of 15, and this will tighten the hips very significantly. The above exercises mainly exercise the muscle on the front side of the thigh and the gluteus maximus. These two areas are easy to clump, so we need to relax these two muscles after finishing the exercise. Lift one leg back first, keep your calf close to your thigh, and bring your toe as close as possible to your buttocks so that you can stretch the muscles on the front of your thigh. The way to relax the gluteus maximus is to lift the left leg with a knee bent forward, the right hand to lift the foot to the base of the thigh, and the left hand to hug the calf as close to the abdomen as possible, and pause for a few seconds when it is closest to the abdomen. Change between left and right legs.